The P0700 code is one of the most common diagnostic trouble codes found in Chevrolet and GMC vehicles, particularly affecting models manufactured from 2007 through 2025. This code indicates a transmission control system malfunction, but it's important to understand that P0700 is what we call a gateway code. It doesn't tell us the specific problem, but rather alerts technicians that they need to dig deeper into the transmission control module. When diagnosing P0700, technicians use professional-grade OBD2 scanners that can communicate directly with the transmission control module to retrieve more specific diagnostic codes. Understanding the root causes of P0700 is crucial for effective diagnosis. Based on industry data, internal TCM failure accounts for 40% of cases, making it the most common cause. Wiring harness issues account for 25% of cases and can often be identified through visual inspection and electrical testing. Solenoid malfunctions represent 20% of P0700 codes and typically require specialized diagnostic equipment to detect. The remaining causes include fluid contamination or low levels at 10% and mechanical transmission problems at 5%. Proper diagnosis requires checking all these potential causes systematically to identify the root issue. The first step in diagnosing P0700 is checking transmission fluid level and condition. This simple check can reveal critical information about the transmission's health. Next, verify the TCM's electrical connections. Use a digital multimeter to test power and ground circuits, and carefully inspect the wiring harness for any damage or corrosion. Advanced diagnostics involve testing TCM communication using professional scan tools and checking for available software updates through GM's service information system. Solutions range from simple repairs to complete TCM replacement. A 2019 Silverado case study shows how a corroded ground connection was repaired for just $180, avoiding a $1,200 TCM replacement. Prevention is key to avoiding P0700 codes. Regular transmission fluid changes every 45,000 miles using GM Dexron V6 fluid, along with prompt attention to electrical issues, can prevent most TCM problems.